Right, what's going on, guys? Back again. Got something a little different for you today. We have a Honda Type R, the last real Type R, because it's actually got the VTEC. After that, I'm pretty sure they all went turbo. We're going to be installing a nice little carbon fibre bonnet on this bad boy. So something a little different. And Joey's excuse for this bonnet is this right here. I'll tell you what, it's gonna look sick. These have always had a nice little special place in my heart because they look like spaceships. They have got a nice rear end on them with them triangle exhausts. Well, style exhausts. Obviously the inside's just normal, but they do look good. There it is in all its glory. Joey, is this the last ever VTEC engine they did? Yeah. Yeah, I thought so. Look at that. All it is I'm pretty sure just bolting these two and the other side, these two, and it'll be a whip off, whip on job. Joey's been nice enough to leave it in the packaging, so we've got to do the unveiling in a minute. I'll tell you what, I am a sucker for carbon fibre, so this is gonna look mint, real mint. Old bonnet been removed. Joey, I think you should just run it like this now. That's it. Forget the carbon fibre. Just had to drill out the brackets, bonnet brackets, because these are the bolts that come with the carbon fibre, and they didn't go through. So I've just drilled them out, both sides. And now that should fit, and then we've just got to fit the bonnet now. Basically all we had to do was cut these multiple times with a drill bit and like just keep making the hole bigger and bigger, because we didn't want to make the hole too big, and then obviously there's going to be a lot of play, and then we'd have to get a big washer and whatnot, and we want it to look as neat as possible. So we've done that. I'll tell you what, the finished result is immense. It's totally transformed the front of the car. Joe's on about getting the carbon fibre vents for the front. I think he's also looking at getting maybe the carbon fibre surrounding for it as well. So it's got a full lot of carbon at the front, and that will look. Right, so if you enjoyed this, make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and give me a subscribe, because I'm almost at that 150 mark. Next mark is 200, so if you could do that, much appreciated. Joey's got a lot more stuff coming with this, so stay tuned.